Guys, coming at you with a little tidbit. Learning to control the things we can't control. Like, I just had some car issues. I didn't make the Pull in the Cork podcast because my shift linkage popped on my car. I had to find zip ties, zip tie it down. I had to stick these fat hands in between fucking wires and bolts and fucking tubes. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not a mechanic. But what I can control is how I handle it. What I can control is my attitude. One thing I'm working on is trying not to just get upset and find reasons to get angry. What we need to do is take a deep breath, focus, and also be grateful. We're alive, we're well, and we'll get to destination A to B. It's only going to be a matter of time. So remember this, folks. Control the controllables. Because what you can't control, you can't control it. Your man Adam Jump Town, keeping the quality high.